Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to add and manage Siri on your headphones Sony Link Buds. You have to start by open application. Now scroll down and click on device settings. Then go to system and right here you have tab operation, so click on the settings icon and you should decide you wanna make it on your left one or right one earbud. I prefer left one, so just click on function, scroll down and click voice assistant. Done. And what the important, click done here. Now, if I press 2 times, I will call a Siri. Hi Siri, how are you? And as you can see, it worked. Now, if I press 3 times, I will cancel it. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!